Hey, welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we're going to take a look at what is the difference between a continuous clean oven and a self-cleaning oven. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. We all like convenience and would prefer avoiding the chore of cleaning our ovens. Over the years, appliance manufacturers have developed on the oven's self-cleaning feature, with what they refer to as continuous clean ovens. So, what's the difference? Continuous clean ovens are manufactured to have a porous ceramic surface to prevent grease splatters from forming beads or droplets. This porous coating also helps mask any spills that have occurred. The finish of a continuous clean oven contains a special coating and is identified by its dark grey colour and rough texture. On the other hand, a self-cleaning oven is completely different from a continuous clean oven. The self-cleaning oven has a special setting on the control panel to set for self-clean. The self-clean option will take about 1 to 3 hours at very high temperatures of 750 to 800 degrees to bake or steam off any residue and food left over from previous baking. When using the self-cleaning option, always make sure you remove all pots and pans and foil that could be left inside the oven whilst you're performing the self-clean setting. It's also recommended to leave the house while the oven is on this self-clean setting. Since the oven will reach extremely high temperatures, this may cause some slight smoke or fumes. Most of the fumes and smoke will come from baked off debris that is inside the oven, though this is still a bit more of a hassle compared to the continuous clean texture option. Whichever option you choose, you know your oven will be spick and span clean. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.